This is our magic floating door. I just wanted to show you guys some of the cool stuff we have. It is completely hingeless. You cannot see anything on the door itself, and it can hold up to a 170-pound door. So this is a small door we have on display, but you can go wild with a 170-pound door. We have our swivel door. It opens out and it opens in. And the best part about it is that it also saves space because only half the door is on the outside and half the door is on the inside. This door right here is commonly used for closets, so if you can imagine a second door here, this being a closet opening, it would save you a lot of space on the sides, because on the sides you would have half the space of a normal door. This system here can be manufactured to whatever size you would like, and the coolest part about it is that it is completely held up top, so the door never actually touches your floor. The track is at the top of the door. We're located right in South Florida. You can find us at milcasastore.com or just Google Milcasa.